Are there thinkers alive today who you think are worth reading? People always say, what's the reading list? What should I read? What should I listen to? Are there philosophers or popular writers?
There are no academic philosophers that are worthy, as far as I'm concerned, of attention.
What about
It's not because all of them are stupid or anything like that. It's because they bought into the party. They're academics.
Yeah.
Okay, they cannot violate, the academic, communistic, atheistic narrative and get away with it. Okay, and if you're in that system, then obviously you're playing along with it, and you can't do that and be an honest, truthful philosopher.
Are there non-academic writers, thinkers, philosophers who you would recommend people read?
I'm sure they're out there. I haven't encountered any, not recently.
What about, okay, so that gets rid of the living people. What about those dead guys? All those old dead guys, going back to ancient Greece or anywhere in the middle?
Well, a lot of those guys had something very useful to say.
Who, if a listener right now said, I want to know who, beyond his own writing, who the smartest man in the world wants me to read, who would you recommend?
Well, I would say that you should go back and definitely read Aristotle and Plato and Socrates. Okay, start with that and then go up and then, work your way through there. A lot of smart guys. Read Plotinus, read about Neoplatonism, right? And once you find out about Neoplatonism, then you can go back to the ancient Vedic religion, right? Because it's basically the same thing in different language. And as you know, then Neoplatonism kind of became a mainstay of medieval Christianity.
Yeah.
Okay? And there's a lot to that. So that takes us up through, and it takes us up through some of the medieval Christian philosophers, Anselm, Aquinas, Augustine.
Yep.
And beyond that, then it starts getting dicey. You see, even when you get up to like René Descartes, for example, everything becomes dualistic. You've got these Cartesian spaces that more or less exclude the observer. There are no images of God in a Cartesian space.
People always ask me, they say, what philosophers should I read? I say, one, why are you asking me? But two, they always say, should I read John Locke? Should I read Rousseau? Should I read John Rawls? Should I read this, that, and the other? I say, maybe focus a little earlier first. And it's funny you mention, once you get up to Aquinas, after him, things start to go a little kooky.
A little south.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until now, of course, all of that is completely out of fashion. And most of these modern philosophers are, they're really, Frankfurt School type people. And that's cultural Marxism, which of course is just the social program of the Marxists.